Hello people, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can edit, crop your picture and change the color of your picture with Photoshop on mobile phone. Slide your screen to the left side until you got this app library, and then you just need to type PS Express. So this is the mobile version of Photoshop. Just go tap it. Now you just need to wait until it's perfectly open. It's just take a while, so make sure you got the good internet connection, and then you just need to go click a photo editor if you want to, or you can also access the previous project that you have here. Go tap it, and the first thing is how the way you crop your picture here in with Photoshop. So you just need to take a look at this button features, slide into the left side. There will be a crop section. Just go tap it. Then you can just crop your picture. You can just go click the basic if you want, so you can get this type of option. Or if you want to use it as social media, just tap it. So you'll get this ratio for Instagram and Pinterest or Facebook. If you want to have the print, just go tap it. So you will get this option A5, A4, A3 and letter. Or if you want to get this digital ads, you will get the ratio for Facebook and Google. So it's all depends to you. Let's say here I wanted to use for my Instagram feed, so you will get this ratio, and you can just place your picture specifically into the what part that you want to keep. Now after you're done, you just need to go click this button. So that is for today's tutorial, how the way you crop your picture easily only with the Photoshop on mobile phone. So hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.